how to save post on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to save post for later in Reddit app? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. You need to open up your Reddit app and then on the home page scroll and then find the post that you want to save, then tap on the three dots on the top right and you can see the save option right there. Just tap on it and that's it. Now to view your save post, you can go to your profile icon in the top right and then you can go to the three lines in the top right and here tap on saved. And here you'll find all of the saved posts. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.